Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I have my DIY filament extruder right here. I've been building this for about 8 months. It still doesn't work, but I thought maybe you're interested in how I made this. So over here we have the heating part, 2 heating bands, around a 1/2 inch pipe. Here we have the temperature sensor, like this. Over here the other pipe, this is a 3/4 inch, and this was created to make the flow and to get more pressure, but the pressure is too high for the motors I chose, which are over here. These are 2 stepper motors with 55 Newton centimeters and 2 amps. So they are used to control this. Over here, the intake. I originally planned to make a hopper above it, but never came to it yet. Here's the drilling bit. This is the connector for the motor, and to stabilize it, you can turn it over here. Then the pellets will come to over here, and this whole part is not filled with the auger bit. And down here is the originally planned part for the other part. So it's I don't know the name yet, but it's to press it into forms, different shapes. Yes, over here the relay and the temperature controller. So this is for temperatures up to 400 degrees, as you can see here. And over here the Arduino Uno with the V3 shield for CNC machines, using the TMC 2208 drivers. They are used for these stepper motors. Yes, they get extra power from over here. This cable goes over here, and this gives 12 volts. The Arduino is powered by 5 volts, and this is for the heating bands and the temperature controller to get power. So the heating bands, I did them here, both on one port, so I can control them parallel. Yes, that's pretty much it. But yeah, this is the original project for school, and I'm pretty sad and disappointed that it doesn't work. But I try my best to improve it. I've got time till September, so I'll be working on this the next few weeks, and maybe I'll upload something. We'll see. Can also show you one time later the intake here when I fill the pellets in. By the way, these are the pellets. They are PP, polypropylene, and they have a similar melting point to PLA. So I use this to test it, and I want to use PLA in the future because this is cheaper. I use this to test. Yes. Also, it's not very stabilized overall. Don't know if you can see it, but it still moves a lot. Yes. I know the name. Again, this is for the molding machine part. To mold different things, and I mount them on this fitting here. And then with enough pressure I can turn this, and then it goes inside. This goes so or so, and I'm able to press things. So for that I made here this mold originally. It didn't work with concrete. Let me get it out. Here you can see it. As you can see, the pins, they stuck in the 3D printed mold for the mold, and that's why it didn't work. It's very brittle, but this was my original plan. And then I had to make a fitting for this, and I haven't been there yet. So it will probably at first only be a extruder to get 3D printing filament. Maybe. Up to now I still have only these melted bits, and I pulled them out in the heated pipe. So this is not really what you can call filament. Here only half melted. Yes, but who knows, maybe one of you guys has an idea what I can do to improve it. I'm pretty sure the motors aren't right for this project. Maybe I will pick up some AC motor or something like that. Yes, that's it for my first video. Thanks for watching.